Does Python SciPy need Blas? Which tar do I need to download off this site? I've tried the Fortrans, but I keep getting this error, after setting the environment variable obviously.
If you need to use the latest versions of SciPy rather than the packaged version, without going through the hassle of building Blas and LPAC, you can follow the below procedure. Install linear algebra libraries from repository for Ubuntu. Then install SciPy. After downloading the SciPy source Python setup.py install or, as the case may be.
The SciPy webpage used to provide build and installation instructions, but the instructions there now rely on OS binary distributions. To build SciPy and number py on operating systems without precompiled packages of the required libraries, you must build and then statically link to the Fortran libraries Blas and LPAC. Execute only one of the 5 g77/gfortran/ifert commands. I have commented out all but the gfortran which I use. The subsequent LPAC installation requires a Fortran 90 compiler, and since both installs should use the same Fortran compiler, G77 should not be used for Blas. Next, you'll need to install the LPAC stuff. The SciPy webpage's instructions helped me here as well, but I had to modify them to suit my environment. Update on September 3, 2015. Verified some comments today, thanks to all before running make LPAClib edit the make.ing file and add fpic option to ops and nup settings. If you are on a 64-bit architecture or want to compile for one, also add M64. It is important that Blas and LPAC are compiled with these options set to the same values. If you forget, the fpic SciPy will actually give you an error about missing symbols and will recommend this switch. The specific section of make.inc looks like this in my setup. On old machines, e.g. Red Hat 5, Fortran might be installed in an older version, e.g. 4.1.2, and does not understand option for cursive. Simply remove it from the make.inc file in such cases. The LPAC test target of the makefile fails in my setup because it cannot find the Blas libraries. If you are thorough, you can temporarily move the Blas library to the specified location to test the LPAC. I'm a lazy person, so I trust the devs to have it working and verify only in SciPy.
On Fedora, this works. Remember to install LPAC Devil and Blas Devil in addition to Blas and LPAC, otherwise you'll get the error you mentioned or the numpy.distutils.system_info.lpac not found error.
I guess you are talking about installation in Ubuntu. Just use. That should take care of the Blas libraries compiling as well. Else, compiling the Blas libraries is very difficult.
For Windows users, there is a nice binary package by Chris. Warning, it's a pretty large download, 191 MB. This URL